Hey, I'm Josh from Appetite for Business. You may have seen our recent video where Steve talked about Outlook's new newsletter tool and where to find them. Now, let's go in and create one. Internal newsletters are a great way to share updates, highlight wins, or keep your team in the loop without flooding their inbox. You don't need to be a designer or a comms expert. Outlook makes it simple. You build it, publish it, and it appears in the newsletters tab and inbox. First things first, this only works in the new Outlook. If you're using the classic version, you won't see these options. To get started, go to the Newsletters tab and click Create Newsletter. That's your starting point. Give your newsletter a name. This is the title your readers will see every time a new edition is published, so make it meaningful. Next, add a description. Keep it short and useful. This tells people what they're signing up for. You can also add other owners if you're working with someone else on content or publishing. Set visibility. Private for you and co-owners. Anyone with a link for targeted sharing. Open to organization for broader access. Add a cover image. You can choose from defaults, upload your own, or use the stock image library. Adjust the position so it looks just right. Add a logo if you have one. Same process. It gives your newsletter a published look. Click Save and your newsletter shell is ready. Now create your first edition, the actual content. If it's your first, click Create Edition. If you have others, use the toolbar. Pick a template for structure, or start from blank if you prefer. Give your edition a clear title. Make sure it's set as an edition, not as a template. Double check you're adding it to the right newsletter. Click Save and start building content. You can change the cover image for this edition if you want a different look. Layouts are flexible. Move sections, link them, delete them. Update the template content. Use formatting options like bold, italics, and headings. Add extra sections or components for text and images as needed. Save as you go. Do not wait until the end. Preview your edition before publishing. Check how it looks in the Newsletters tab and in dark mode. You can also send a preview to someone for feedback. When ready, choose the author. Decide who gets the email and confirm visibility settings. Pick a thumbnail image and tweak general settings. Click Send. That's the Publish button. Your edition is live and you can still make changes later. Your newsletter appears in the Explore section of the Newsletters tab in Outlook. People can browse, read, and subscribe. It also looks great in email, easy to scan on desktop or mobile. No more chasing people to read your updates. It's all there, ready when they are.